What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Sport James coming back to you with another video. I really hope you guys like the little cinematic intro we just did for you. Shout out to my boy Grim Media behind the lens, really helping me dial in the channel. I hope we get back to a real steady pace of content for you guys. I'm already in love with what we did last week. This is a new week, fresh start. Got a couple things wanted to show you. Obviously, this wasn't here when we shot that video. That is a 2010 or 11 Cadillac CTSV Gen 2. So that's the LSA Supercharged one, 6.2 liter auto, all that good stuff. This one's in for a little bit of work. It's getting creative steel upper and lower front control arm bushings. It's a known issue on these cars that the bushings go bad or your bolts start to walk around and you mess up your alignment. So stronger bushings will help that. Apparently, it's a creative steel thing. I'm not really too well versed in fixing suspension problems. I can obviously do the work. I can obviously understand it. But as far as the science behind it, don't go quoting me. Anyways, I just wanted to stop in, talk to you guys for a second. We're going to start moving things around. I already got the Malibu outside. And then, we're just going to bring this down, get to work. See you guys in a second. All right, so I had to cut the time lapse for a second because when I tell you that these lug nuts were way too tight, I'm telling you, they were way too tight. I'm glad I took a half a bite out of my burrito because I would have passed out. Now I got them all broken off. Had to come in over here. Breaker bar, 1/2 inch 22, same as the 7/8, but now we are good to go. Yeah, we're good to go now. So get this thing lifted up. Matter of fact, I need to open the hood, take off the strut tower bar, and then we can get to going. Put you guys back on the tripod and we can watch it from a safe distance. Okay, so what you have to do for this job is get the strut assembly out so you can get the upper control arm that is connected to it. And this video is just kind of for me right now because these bolts go in a special pattern. So you have to do stud in the far back towards the seat, towards the driver's side. Then you get these regular 3. This plastic comes up through. This is part of the body. You don't really have to worry about that. And then you undo this, which is the mag ride sensor, by pushing this forward, and then you see those move out the way so you can just pull up. But yeah, so these come out. One, two, and Ray did a really good job. So this is a build from work, and this is just some work we didn't want to do. So obviously not something I'm going to pass up on because I'm equipped to do it. But Ray built this, and it is very nice. He had a special, he like made a custom bracket to go onto the sway, not the sway bar, but the, whatchamacallit? Give me the word. Upper bar, strut tower bar. Ugh. Milwaukee doing work. Let me put you guys down so I can catch this and not fuck anything up. Hand underneath. Gun it. Ow. What am I missing? Oh, one more hidden one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, hidden bolt, nothing new. So, probably easier to just jam one of these bad boys up there. Catch it. Undo this hidden bolt. That is going to be an absolute pain in the ass to put back. There we go.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it can come out. Oh, Jesus, and it's heavy. Put it down, twist it out. There we go. Oh, that's one. Didn't break anything, didn't tear anything, but damn! Why is it so much? Okay, this side's all taken apart, and you can see why this gentleman wanted these replaced. I don't know if you could tell. Here, the inside's very obvious. Busted through all the way around both sides. So he's got creative steel whatchamacallits bushings to go in there. So I'm gonna get the other front off because you can't really hang the whole spindle assembly from anything. So I'm gonna do the fronts, get those fixed, put it back together, then I'll do the bottoms at a separate point. So get you guys set up again. And maybe I might walk you through the process, maybe just push you on the time lapse. I don't know, haven't decided yet. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for the night real quick. I got both upper control arms off. Gonna take those to work, do a little bit of love and massaging to them, get those bushings pressed out and in. Malibu's back in its spot for the night. Just wanna go home, get some good sleep, do a full day tomorrow, and we'll be right back at it. Oh, hey, what's up? So check this out. We are on our way to the shop right now. We are finishing the CTSV project. Hold on. There we go. Hold on. Time to shift. Anyways, we're headed up to the shop. Gonna go pick up the lower control arms because we got the uppers done and bolted back into the car. Struts are back in along with those. And we are headed over to MC2 Fabrication, located right here in Yuba City. I'll show you guys a little bit of their stuff. Awesome guys to know. I'm really thankful for them.